हांवें तेंचो आशिर्वाद घेवन हांवें प्रवेश केला न्ही. आशिर्वाद घेवन मागीर मुख्यमंत्रीक मेळ्ळा.
नाही आता बीजेपीक प्रवेश केला तर
हय हांव काल सांगून आयला. ही इज माय फादर. आय हॅव टू टेक हिज ब्लेसिंग्स. I have taken his blessings. My ideology may be different. I have to take his blessings. I have taken his blessings, and I will full-heartedly, all my people who are here, all our councillors, Ramdas, all the councillors, Vinod Shinde, Hazare, my block president who has resigned yesterday, Lakshmi Arolkar, and all of you, the people, we are just about close to 1,000 people today here. We have all come here to give him an assurance that we will be committed to the growth of the Bharatiya Janata Party and selflessly work to strengthen the party in Sattari Taluka. From Walpur constituency and Usgaon will be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. He has absolutely no objection. It is my wish.
If we see your political graph, you have been in and out of Congress on couple of occasions.
No, I have never been in and out of any party. I was denied a ticket by the Congress party. So I was forced to go as an independent. I went back into government. Yes. And also there was, it is a situation where prior to the election itself, I was wanting to have a tie-up with the BJP. It is nothing new. For me, it is a full circle which has come around. And now there is no question of any Sattari or Morcha or any such thing. I have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. I have come here to stay and strengthen the party.
Have you been assured cabinet for?
No, that is Chief Minister's prerogative. I have not discussed any such issue. I have joined him unconditionally to strengthen him. And if everybody starts putting pressure on him, then I don't think there will be an end to it. So if he deserves, he will decide.